So, good morning everyone, and today is, well, it's the first little problem with the NT1100 to be honest. It's been smooth running so far, but we've got our first problem, so I'll give you a little clue, see if you can figure out what's happening. So I'm not sure how clearly this will show, but there is clue number one. And here is clue number two. Let's see if you can see it. Down there. Yep. Clear as day, isn't it? So we have an oil leak from somewhere around the bottom end of the engine. I was tempted yesterday to take off this sump guard and the foot wind deflectors and have a little nosy, but I thought the better of it. It's under warranty from Youles in Manchester, so I'm going to get on the blower to them, see what they say about it. It's when I bought it, it had 7,000 miles on it, and it's now done. Let's have a little look. Just shy of 9,000, 8,936 miles. So I've done a couple of thousand miles on it. It's still under warranty, obviously, and rather than faff around with it myself and then cause a bit of a problem with the warranty claim, I thought I'd just get on the blower to Youles and tell them that it needs looking at. So let's do that. Morning mate, I need to speak to someone about making a warranty claim on a bike I bought from you, please. So I bought an NT1100 from you in beginning of May, and it's done about 1,900 miles, and there's oil leaking from one side. Okay, doke, lovely, I'll get it down to you. Thanks very much, cheers, bye now. So I think that's us done. Just got off the phone to Youles. They've just said drop it off as soon as I get a chance. So I might even run it down today if I get the opportunity. And they'll book it in as soon as they can, get it looked at, and hopefully sort it in the next couple of days. We'll see. So I've decided to take the bike to Youles today. Just got off the phone to them an hour or two ago. Mrs. Sutton Moto there is following me in the car. Just a quick half-hour blast up to Youles, drop the bike off, and then we'll head home. Thought I might as well get it done, but it is too hot for this nonsense. 31 degrees. It is baking. Not a particularly comfortable ride up here. But I think Youles is only round the corner from here, 1.9 miles away. So best to drop it off, get the work done. They said they might have a couple of days, few days. I guess it'll be early next week now. It's Wednesday afternoon at the minute. I'd be surprised if I get it back for the weekend. But you can't really be running a bike with oil dripping out the side, can you? It's not a great idea. That's my old university there, the University of Salford, many years ago. I studied there. It's a very long story that, but the short version is I never managed to get a degree and I got kicked out several times. Maybe I'll tell you about that one day. But suffice to say, too much drinking, too much having a laugh, not enough studying. But it didn't do me any harm, that's what I always say. And Mike was partly responsible for that, because Mike was there at the same time as me, and I predominantly blame him for my failures. Here we are, Youles, Manchester. That was simple enough. Drive safe and sound.